Welcome to HomeWorld Warnervale, and this is the Paddington 23, one of Edenbray's most popular single-story designs, and I think it has a lot to do with the layout. You've got 4 bedrooms and 2 separate living areas. The first of them is the lounge room, located here at the front of the home. It creates an immediate sense of space the moment you walk through the door, as it flows through to that entry foyer. I think it's also an important part of the layout success because having a separate living area located at the front of the home away from that open plan living, dining and kitchen is perfect for families of all sizes. Located in the centre of the home is the sleeping zone, where you'll find 3 great sized family bedrooms. What I particularly love about this floor plan, and one of the key features for me, is the fact that they are separated with no common walls. This is great for children of different ages. Now, on one side of the hall, you've got 2 bedrooms separated by the family bathroom. It's a great size and it's filled with natural light thanks to that large window behind the freestanding bath. On the other side of the hall is the separate toilet, and this has its own basin. For any of you that have lived in a busy family, having a separate toilet is so important. What I really love is that the sleeping zone, as I call it, is located in the centre of the home. And this is usually the quietest part of the house, no matter where you are building. At the rear of the home is the large open plan dining, lounge and kitchen. And if you love cooking, you are going to love the kitchen in this home. It actually comes with a couple of different options. You can have a U-shaped kitchen, a more traditional design, but in this brand new display, we have changed it up a little bit and placed a large kitchen island. This is great for functional, practical cooking, whether it's just for you and the family or for entertaining. There's plenty of bench space on either side of the sink, plenty of bench space on either side of the cooktop, and then this massive island to be able to connect with everybody in the rest of the house. There's also plenty of storage options. We've also got a walk-in pantry, and you can deck that out as you would like. In this particular case, we've included more storage and actually placed the microwave inside. This room is also flooded with natural light. We've got large sliding doors that connect to the alfresco and windows that wrap around on one side. On the other side of the room is the laundry. It's a great size, offering you opportunities for storage, and there's also a large sliding glass door, providing more natural light from that side of the home. The large master bedroom is located at the rear of the home. Not only is it a great size, it also connects beautifully with this alfresco. You've got a generous walk-in robe and a great sized ensuite that has 2 basins. It creates almost a resort feel. There's definitely a lot to love about the Paddington 23, and you can come and take a walk through yourself right here at HomeWorld Warnervale, or why not do the virtual tour online at edenbrayhomes.com.au.